Alright, I got here a 2013 Toyota Corolla. Customer complaint is the engine light's been on for about a year. It seems like it's intermittent. It turns on and it runs really rough. It's been to 2 shops. When it's on, it sounds like he's describing a misfire. I don't know. I think all the plugs are, all the coils and injectors were replaced. I think this codes for all cylinders, he said. And well, this shop didn't look at it. It's been to multiple shops before this. Let's just see if it's acting up right now. Alright, so it's not misfiring right now. Let me scan it, see if we can find anything. Here we got a loose ground or something on a coil. Okay. All right, so we got a bunch of codes. We got A, B, and C, not D. And then in the, that's in OBD. Here we have C, A, B, just those 3. Okay. So there's definitely no misfires now. Let me clear all the codes. All right, so these you can't clear because they're permanent, but in here, cylinder 3 misfire detected, and A, B, and C coils. Questions, I have to drive it around or leave it running. I'm not sure how often this thing comes back. I don't really like intermittents. But you know, let me go take a look under the hood. Alright, let's check these grounds quickly. Good, it looks loose. So, there's a bunch of different types of coils. This is an NGK. This is, I don't know. And these are 2 unknown ones. Actually, this says Toyota, I think, right here. This one probably says Toyota here. I can't see, but I feel it. This one has nothing. Where are these things ground? Sometimes they ground. I don't think this is the grounds for them. You see, the codes were for the ignition coil, not for a misfire. I mean, number 3 was for a misfire, but the ignition coil code usually means the circuit code. It doesn't usually just come off from a standard misfire. Now, there's 4 wires here. One of them is a power ground, and one's something called an IGF circuit and an IGT circuit. So the IGT is a trigger, the computer telling this coil to fire, and the IGF circuit is a feedback signal. They're all connected, and then it just gives it's 5 volts, and it gives a downward spike to each coil every time it fires. So you could have, that's how it knows which coil is misfiring. But you could have a mess up in the IGF, and that would cause it to think 3 are misfiring or something like that. All right, let me scope it, see if I can see anything, if anything looks funny. Now I'm just gonna pick any cylinder, and we'll just go through it. Number 1 looks the easiest. Let's ground this here. Okay, so that should be our power. Alright, I don't see power there, maybe I'm wrong. It is the ground for sure. Yeah, see, something's wrong with my scope. What am I doing wrong? Is this not making contact? Is my lead bad? Am I in AC? DC volts, one time. Alright, let me try another one of these. No. Let's try one of each. Still nothing. Let me go out of here and re-go in. Alright, let's try this again. Ground. Power. What am I doing wrong? Is it really just a bad lead? Let's try channel 2. Yeah. Let me go see if I have another lead. Alright, let's see if this is a lead. If this doesn't work, we're moving on to a different scope. Okay, ground and power. Okay, the lead must be bad. And I don't like this lead because it's too short. Yeah. We're gonna have to just ground it. Okay, so we should see power here. Okay, we see spikes, but that's probably just for the ignition. And this should be ground. Alright, there are high spikes on it. I don't think that would be our issue. I think the scope in general is just noisy. Now this, okay, so here's the signal we got, and you can see all those other spikes. That's just from the other cylinders firing. Let's move to the IGF circuit. Alright, we got all the cylinders firing. Now I just use the scope to know that it's a noisy scope, so I'm not too concerned about this ground. But let me see if I ground it directly, if I can get rid of this noise. Okay, I got a jumper. I wonder if I could add a ground to right here and see if that will fix up our issue. See if that'll get rid of the spikes. I'm going to put this right here. That fell off. And it did not. So the spikes are there to stay. So I'm gonna have the customer drive it around until we get it to act up, and then I'll have to come back. Let me just see if anything changed. Alright, so we still have no engine light on. Do another quick scan. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about this. Yeah, we got nothing. Oh, there we go. Misfire 3 is misfiring. And now it's fully misfiring. Let me go scope cylinder number 3. 3 is the one that looks fake to me. This could go here. So let's go on the ground. Let's see if we have anything. Okay, the ground is rising a drop. Let's go on the IG. That's the trigger signal. It's not missed. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, we're losing one. Let me get another channel quickly. Alright, fixed itself again. We'll go on channel 2 now. I'm going to ground it at the same spot. And now I need a trigger signal. So I'm going to go into the other guy. I want to see which cylinder is the one on the IGF that's wigging out. There we go, it just misfired. Okay, let's pause this. So it's not the same cylinder. See that? Look, we have, could I zoom in? I don't remember how this works. Oh, alright, there's a zoom button right here. Okay, so you see, this is cylinder number 3, the one we're on. I don't know if I had the right numbers. It could be this is one. Whichever one this is. I better look that up. I want to get this capture again, so start. Turn on zoom because it's misfiring right now. Alright, so we're definitely missing a cylinder right now. Let's pause this. Okay, let me quickly look up which cylinder is which. Okay, so I'm wrong. I looked it up over here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm on cylinder number 2. And then the next one's 1. Let's go back to the scope and let's figure this out. So 1, 2, so this is cylinder 3. This is the one that's misfiring. The one that was changed with NGK. Let's go to the scope. So we're on cylinder number 2. 2. What was the firing order? 1, 1, 3, 4, 2. So yeah, so cylinder number 3 is misfiring. This one right here. Let's go check that one, see if anything looks different on it. Let's start the scope again. Okay, so let's see if the ground's any good. So now, we're losing power. Doesn't look like it. We're missing trigger. Okay, it's definitely misfiring now, and I see a trigger. Let me go down one. Oh. Alright, so the trigger's around 4 volts. Let's go see a known good one. Yeah, same thing. Okay, and let's go see the IG. yeah, we're consistently missing one. I mean, whenever it misfires, we lose our signal here. So to me, it looks like this coil's failing. Let me swap it with a different one. We'll quickly swap it over. I'm just gonna move it to number 1. You know, it definitely looks like there might be oil leaking through here. All right, let's start it up again. And we'll see if our misfire moved. Let's go. We'll go right here. Okay, we definitely see the missing one. And now let's get the trigger on number. Okay, let's stop it. Yeah, it definitely moved, right? No, it didn't. We're on 2, right? So 2, 1. Yeah, it moved. See, we're still on 2, the missing one's on 1. It's a bad coil. They probably put a bad one in. The customer's not gonna believe me because they replaced everything a bunch of times. But I gotta get out of here. But yeah, it's clearly just a missing coil. I'm telling them to change cylinder number 1, the one that says NGK. You know, let me just quickly make sure it's misfire. The computer notices the change also. Let's get the misfire again. I'm not doing anything. When I say get it, I mean just wait here for a second until it starts misfiring. It's definitely misfiring, but it's not showing up. Let me go out and go back in. Sometimes it's not reading live. Alright, it's definitely misfiring. Let me go in the car. Alright, it's definitely misfiring. I don't know why it's not showing up on the data, but we saw it on the scope. Let's see, read DTCs. Let's see what showed up because I played around a little bit. Coil A, C, everything going crazy. Okay. Yeah, they probably replaced it with a fake coil if I had to guess, and just went bad. I'm telling them to replace the plug also. I don't know if the plug was replaced, and I don't have time to check right now. Read live data. We'll just go to cylinder misfires. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's misfiring and it's not showing up, but we clearly saw it on the scope. That's it. I'm calling it a bad coil on cylinder number 1 now, initially 3. All right. Thanks for watching.